Hello everyone, my name is Julian Broome. I'm the new executive pastry chef here at BodyHoliday, and today we're going to do a nice all-round boosting snack for you. You know, everyone is stuck at home in these times, and today we're going to use some plums. But instead of if you don't have plums, we can use mangoes, we can use apples, we can use pears, we can use any type of fruit that you enjoy personally. We also have some fiber here with some oats. We have to aid the digestion. We have some yogurt. We have some fresh mint. We have lemongrass, cinnamon, some pomegranate, and some honey. Here we add some olive oil, and then we also going to add some lemongrass and the cinnamon sticks as well, you know, just to get them nice and toasted, get the aromatics going. You know, the cinnamon itself is said to aid in digestion. The lemongrass helps improve the levels of sugar and cholesterol in the blood, and it also has some antioxidant properties. So here we just keep them moving around so they don't really burn, just to get the aromatics out of them, get a nice flavor. Here we also add some honey. Honey helps improve the cholesterol in the system. Also, you know, just keep them moving around, get that honey nice and caramelized. Not too caramelized though. Depends on your flavor, how intense you love the flavor of the honey. Also, nice and moving, just to get it nice and caramelized. You also look at, you can also tell when it's getting there, when the bubbles, they slow down nicely. That's where you know your caramelization is happening. One by one, we also add the plums. You know, you get them all around in that flavor. Rub them in if you have to, just to get that caramelization on the bottom of them. Keep them moving so they don't really stick in your pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan at home, just keep them moving around in your pan. So we keep flipping, tossing, just looking at your plums, just making sure they're not burning, but still picking up that nice caramelization all around. Getting the skins nice and loose. Keep flipping, tossing, checking regularly. Just a few minutes of cooking. So now we add a little lemon juice, just for a nice flavor also. Lemon juice, also a nice source of vitamin C, helps support weight loss and improves the skin quality. Just give it a nice turn in there. Add some pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice with some potential benefits. Vitamin C helps aid in cancer prevention, digestion, and heart disease. Just moving around. Just let that reduce for a little. Let's say 2 minutes. Nice and reduce. And glazes the plums also. So after reducing for like 2 minutes, we check again just to see the nice caramelization there on the plums, the pomegranate juice and everything. You just keep stirring around, just get them nice and glazed. And from here, we're into plating. Okay guys, now that's finished. Easy plate up. Now we can take a little look at our plums. Nicely pan roasted. There we go. Nice serving for two. Nice dinner, like lunch, dinner, afternoon snack. There we go. Get the spoon with that. Nicely plate it up. Drizzle some nice oats, which is good for some fiber on top. Nice drizzle of yogurt. Top as well. And garnish with some nice fresh mint sprigs. And here we have it. Pan roasted plums, some yogurt, some fresh oats. Nice. Enjoy.